Hello everyone, so today I continue working on the optimization of my game and I will start my working day from the making of the backup because today I will experiment a lot with the materials. I will tell you a little later. So the first thing what I have to do, I have to back up the game because in case if I will break something, and this is very possible, everything might happen. So I will need to have something so I can be able to restore. So I'm creating the new folder, and into this folder I will copy the files of the game. What is this? Okay, this one. And the only thing which I will not copy this is the saved files because they are just useless. They're created each time new, so everything except the saved files. So in the meanwhile, when it is copying from one folder to another, how I'm working today. I have several questions which I put to the chat GPT. It will answer me, it will help me to work on the optimizations. And today I asked him that some of my meshes into the game have, or blueprints have a lot of materials. And what it will do if I will merge several multiple materials into one, how it will help me for the FPS. So in the meanwhile, my files are copying. I will review what exactly the ChatGPT told me, so you'll have an idea what exactly I will do. So what does it say? Does merging multiple materials into one improve FPS in the Unreal 5.6? The short answer. It can improve performance from 0 up to 30%, but only if your scene is CPU bound due to too many draw calls, many material slots per mesh. So, if your bottleneck is the GPU, heavy shaders, post-process, the Lumen, etc., the gain will be small or even negative. So, what actually gets faster? Each material slot, voila, one mesh section, voila, one draw call. If you merge three materials in one, you remove two draw calls per mesh instance. That's great. One large scene, hundreds or thousands of objects, this can reduce CPU frame time by 1 till 4 milliseconds, sometimes resulting into the 10 or even 30% of the FPS on CPU-bound system, when in one half much. If your scene is GPU-bound, complex shaders, translucency, SSS, heavy post-process, or Lumen GI. If your merged materials become a mega shader with many texture samples, static switchers, and layered logic, GPU time can increase, negating any CPU saving. So, raw estimation. If you had n objects multiplying by m materials, then you will get n multiplied by m draw calls and merge them into a single material. So we will get the n number of objects multiplying by one material. So we will get just n draw calls. Example, 500 objects, 3 slots. So from 1500 draw calls, we will go down to the 500, and that's excellent. On the CPU limited frame that can yield a clear FPS boost. So basically this is exactly what we want. Nanite Lumen context in the Unreal 5.6. Nanite reduced geometry overhead, but each material section still counts a separate draw call. Fewer sections will have fewer calls, especially for non-nanite meshes or transparent materials. Nanite doesn't render translucent. Lumen, Nanite do not make heavy shader cheaper. Merging material that increase shader complexity may make your GPU bound instead. So basically I will have this is what I want to test. Instancing HISM and ISM plus one shaded material often brings more benefit than just merging slots. How to match properly? So this is what I will have to learn. Use texture atlases plus a single material. Combine UV, merge actors, UV repack, or an atlas tool. Add 8 16px padding between UV islands to avoid mid-bleeding. Use material instant instead of many unique materials. One master material, parameterized via instances, shaded PSO, faster compilation, better caching. Avoid mega switches. Static switches, voila separate shaded permutation. Preface color vector parameters for runtime variation. Reduce texture samples. Pack ORM, occlusion, roughness, metallic into one RGBA. Rose normal map wisely. For repeating assets, use HISM or HI-LOT. Merge cluster for the instance lots. So, how to check if it will help your scene? Start center rendering. Check draw calls, match draw commands. Stat unit or stat unit graph. So basically, that are the commands which you can put into the command line, and then you will get the answer and you'll be able to compare if it helped or not. Compare game draw GPU times. The next command is the profile GPU. If GPU times is greater than the CPU times, you are GPU bound. So shade the complexity view. Lot of white red, heavy shaded, merging won't fix that. What else? Practical checklist for Unreal Engine 5.6. Many identical meshes with two fill material slots. Match them into one atlas. Repeating prop across the scene. Use HASM or ISM. Hero asset with a single heavy material. Merge won't help. Optimize failure logic instead. After merging, verify MIP maps, padding, and loads to avoid visual sims. So, the summary. CPU bound many draw calls and it will help. It will give us 10 or even 30%. GPU bound heavy shaders, it will not work. It will give 0 or 5 or some percent, or even it will sometimes not work. Heavy mega material, possible FPS loss. So we will experiment. And that's it. So now I will wait until it's complete the backup. It tells me 12 more minutes because I have really a very big project. And then I will start experimenting step by step of the things which ChatGPT tells me. But I think that I will start from the stats. This is how it say the point how to check if it will help your scene. So I get that I will start on those commands because like this I will be able to compare if my changes, which I'm doing for the materials, if it helps or not, because of course we need to start from something. So, waiting. What else I have over here? Can I ask a few more questions? The ChatGPT, just to clarify a few things. I did that. The only thing what I have to do is to wait until it completes, say 2 more minutes, 2 minutes 15 seconds. So waiting, not 3 minutes, just jumping. Some points are copying faster, some things slower, so have to wait. What to do? Okay. Momentum. Sixty seconds. Fifteen seconds. I have an idea. Okay. To make one picture. Background white. Create. Okay. Move it up. Text. Regular. Say. Okay, the backup has completed. Excellent. So I will open the project, the working project. Close this one. So leave only the chat GPT. Fine. It is almost open. So I continue working on the optimization of the game, of the last game, which I will upload soon for sale. For sailing is the Sins of the Desert. And there are a few moments which I would like to change, which I would like to make work faster. So I'll experiment on this scene. I will open the scene right now. Then first of all, what I will do, I will check the stats which the ChatGPT suggested. And after that, because then I will be able to compare a few things. So I will start on this. I'm drinking the tea. Basically, very good, very nice, very tasty. But there is something what is just, I don't know what, but what is just not good. So what is that? This will happen. I don't know. The PowerPoint is very colors info components very very safe not to fix. Okay. Save all. Save. The third thing did where the scholar uses the static mesh right inverse. This will happen to every load until the maps are resaved. Here. So, what was the first thing which I needed to check? This what? Start scene rendering. Task graph, task priority, scene rendering task. Let's see. MD51. Start. What kind of stats we have? So, collision GPU, Intel cores, CPU load, GPU load is 990. So. Okay. And my mistake. And very nice. So the first thing which I found that there is no such command. Okay, so it gave me another command which is start urge here. Okay, so we have the GPU starts, texture, memory, texture, could memory, render target. Okay. So mm. Okay, so I already have the suggestions what I have to do because I have here on my scene there are a lot of different components which just like a lot of different small meshes for the decorations because this is the desert, this is the bazaar, so of course there must be a lot of things. And what I think that I will have to do, I will have to merge those small meshes because they are on the different scene, how to say, in the different scene places, like small things which could be easily merged into one mesh with one material, and I think it will help me a lot. So first of all, I will stop this. Start. Okay. I will just stop this command because I'm not able to see anything because of this thing from the screen. So I just switched it off. And what I want here, I have the blueprint for the meshes. So for example, if I will take, this is the blueprint, so I don't have, no, okay. So, in where, here for example, what is this? This is the blueprint, this is just, this is also the blueprint, okay. Need to find something, oh, over here. So, I have here a lot of separate meshes. And what I will try to do, I will try to merge them into one. So here, did I selected everything? Yes, I guess so. Because here, a lot of different plates, like boxes, some kind of glasses. This is a very good design. It looks really excellent. I like it. But of course, many things with the many materials, and this is not what we want. So let's check if I can do so. Let me check. Okay. Group the selected vectors. Let me check one more thing. Maybe I just misclicked. Come on. Nice. So I have another questions. the way, I will also turn on the stats about the FPS so I can see what is going on over here. When I will change something, what will happen, if it will help me or not. Human rows, not so much. Resource description, download resource description, draw primitive close and conception. It gives really a lot of good information, so we will have what to check. Okay, that's done. Next one. So here. Nice. Nice. And where I will place them. So was my folder, was my theme. I guess it will be over here. First of all, I need to create a folder for making this over here. Okay, asset. So I already have this folder when I was experimenting. Good. So again, merge actors, and where do I go? I'm going to the main folder, then this one, then I will open the folder with this environment, assets, meshes, and over here I already have the folder for the merged assets. And what would we call, how would we call this? We will call this box, so box with plates. Save. So very good. Let's open it. Let's see what do we have. We have material slots. So basically I have here only 2 materials, and this is excellent. Let me see how it looks like. It looks good. But I guess that I forgot something. Right. So again, I'll remove this one because I need to select one more thing, which I just didn't notice. So 3, 1, 2, 3, this one and this one. Nice. So again, the same thing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I have 7 things which I just want to merge in one. So merge actors. Again, I have to select it. Forget the path, so I have to select it again. Scenes. Yes. Over here, and then this one, environment, assets, meshes, and merged. And how do we call this? We call this box with plates. So that it will be easier to find what exactly it is. I will have the good name. Fine. So now, the reason my box was played, I will open this. I want to see that everything is good. Again, I have only 2 materials. Excellent. Save. Close. So I need the position of this box. Copy. Because then it will be much easier just to replace this. So again, let's remove those. So I can remove this and this, and this, and this, and this, and this also. No, I forgot this plate. Now I can place this thing, and I have copied, paste my properties in category. It was, I know what happened. I need to change the pivot. So it was, okay, let's change the pivot. Modeling, right. Modeling, transform, edit pivot. I need to place this into the bottom and into the center, right? Into the bottom. No, better is the bottom. Accept. Very good. So now if I will move it up and then we'll paste again, where do we have? We have saved position and very good. Now it's perfect. So now I will copy the position of this one. So let me check. So import. That's it, because it was smaller and this is why it feeds so good. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. So first I need to find where it was. Here. I have the static mesh. Place the static mesh over here. And just 75, 0.75, and 0.75. So smaller is better. Okay. Now, what would we do? Where's the asset? Okay. Place it here. And the position, of course. Control C. So we have the location. Just don't want, because I replaced the prefab, so I just don't want to put me the position and location, but it doesn't matter because here in the details I have everything, so just copy and paste separately position and location and rotation like this. So I can place this, and now it looks much better. Good. Okay. And I have here another one, and it must be placed over here. So how it looks like? It looks good. The only thing which I don't like is that it seems to be one plate is not in the correct position, so I have to fix that. I guess like this, that's enough. Move it here, move it here. Save, compile, and save, and let's check. Perfect. Okay, now it looks good. Very good. So what else we can replace here? What else we can do? What is that? Yes, and guess that I will select them also because again the same thing. A lot of different small objects with a lot of different materials which we can merge in one. So we will do exactly the same with those. So I will select all of them. First, let me check if they all have the same size. This one don't. This one also. Okay. Because when I'm doing merging, let's just check. Over here, all of them have the different sizes. So because of this, the merge may not look good, but we will test it. So merging, where I am. I don't need the modeling, I need the merging. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, oh, about 15 materials, 15 things, which I can merge in one. So merge actors, again, I just lost the path, so I will have to find it again. Here it is, environment, assets, meshes, and merged. And what would we say? So we have plates and pots. Save. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. Let me see. This one don't look good. I need to move a little bit. This one. Okay, and rotation. Just a little bit rotation. So now it's perfect because it will be nice. Good. So this one was moved to. Okay. Let me select all of them again. Selecting, everything must be selected. So this one is done. Yes, this one is selected too. Those are selected too. Everything is selected in this moment. So I will remove just this one. And then I will merge again, 15, 16. I added one more. Good. So, well, this is a little bit boring just because I have to each time select the folder. Just don't want to remember the folder which I use. Okay, merged. And plates and pots. Not pots, but pots. So save. And just save this. And I can remove this one. I can save this one. Save all. Now, will select my level. Wait until it's selected, so it will not fall down, I hope. Sometimes when I'm doing here, good. So thanks the Unreal expression, and this is not what I want. Okay, here I can place the plates in pots. And again, what I want to do, I just want to change this. Basically, this is not necessary. So I will move this to the side. Good. So instead of 16 materials, basically we have just one. What is very good. Now I will place this on the floor. Good. Good. That's good. Okay. Obi. Nice. Okay, so I have changed another thing. And where else I can place those pots? So what do we have here? This is the mesh, single mesh. This is also a single mesh. What is this? This is a table. This is not a mesh. This is the blueprint. And this blueprint has one, two. Okay, this one is good. What else we can change? Here. This is the blueprint. This is the blueprint. Okay, and the question. So what I did, I have created a new merge with the new boxes. Let me see how it looks like. It looks good. So I will just again replace the existing one on the scene, because on the scene there was the blueprint, and what I was checking. So for example, if I'm using the blueprint with a lot of different static meshes inside, if it just help, no, it doesn't help. So in this case, if I want or don't want, I will have to merge them all together. Otherwise, it will not increase, not help me with optimization. So what I'm doing right now, I just want to change, where is the pivot? It's in the middle. And this is not what I want, because this is the best of all. The pivot is in the bottom, because then this is very easy to place this on the scene. So modeling, transform, edit pivot, bottom, very nice, accept. Perfect, save all. So I will save the scene just in case, so it will not crash, because sometimes it happens, and this is very upset. If I was doing something important, then it just crashed, so it's a little boring. Okay, so we will copy all properties. We will remove this one. I'm going to guess on the correct one. We'll remove this one, and I will place the same position. Very nice. So don't want. Never mind. I have here position and location. Sorry, location and rotation. So I'll paste the location, and over here I have the rotation. So paste the rotation. What do we have over here? We have here very nicely placed our merged mesh. Perfect. So I will do the same exactly with the other meshes, because it really helps a lot. This is really excellent thing. And create 01B. So I'm going to the selection, I'm going to merge. I have here merge actors, and I want to merge this one. Again, select the folder. This is really boring, and here is no checkbox to select something, to check something, so it will remember me. So we have to open again the folder, another one, environment, assets, meshes, merged, and how we will call this? We will call this create 01B. We will save this. We will save all, save selected. Wait a little bit. Okay, it has been saved. And now what I will do, I will just remove the prefabs which I have on the scene, and instead of those prefabs, I will paste my new merge actor. But first of all, I have to copy the position and location for each one of them, so I will not have to bother me with those things too. So I have here merge actor. I have what I have to do again, the modeling, pivot, bottom, accept, save, save selected. I will save this once, and after that it will be much easier to work with the prefab. So copy, what is that? Select mesh, nice. And paste. It was the location, and now we'll do the same for the rotation. Paste. Excellent. And looks good. What is important, by the way? It's very important to make it look nice, and of course, easy. Good. So the next thing which I want to do, I just want to remove, first of all, I need to find where exactly is instant make prefabs. So I will have to remove all of those existing because, for example, I have this one, the same, this one. So I have really a huge number of the same prefabs on the scene. So this is very easy to place them because they are prefabs. But of course, those prefabs, they are not very good for the optimization, so I'll just do it like this. First one, copy position location, copy all properties in category, place over here, remove this one, place this one, then we copy location and rotation. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to do the next thing. I will place all of those three things, move to prefabs, yes, over here. So what I want to do, I want to replace them one by one. So this is A. I don't need A, I need B. So it was my static mesh. Then I want to find the second one. I will copy its position because it has only position. The rotation is 0. So I will remove this. I will duplicate this. I will change the position and I will remove the rotation. Excellent. Now it's much faster. So copy all properties. No, 05. No, copy just, wait. I'll copy just the location. So I remove this one. I will duplicate this one. Paste and rotation -5. Perfect. So now the same with this one. Copy, remove, duplicate, paste. Here we have -5 and here we have 0 and I really want to see where it is. Okay, good. Perfect. Next one. This one, the rotation is 15. Copy. So ladies and gentlemen, it will be a really boring thing because I'm doing exactly the same. For all of them, I just need to remove the prefabs and instead of them to put my merge static meshes, so they will be lighter, not so heavy, let's say, for the rendering, and then we'll be able to see how it helped us or not. So rotation is 30. So again, copy location, duplicate, paste, change the rotation, and find where it is and to check if it really looks good. Yes, it does. Next one, rotation 0, remove, duplicate, paste, 0, see where it is. Fine. Next, and like this all the times. 175, copy. Paste. 175. Where is it? Okay. Let's go. Next. Paste. Nice. Down here, what is this? Okay. Next thing. Rotation 70. Remove, duplicate, paste, rotation, check location. Good. Really good. Copy. Minus 30. There's that. Here. Oh, this one is already placed, so let's move another one. Copy. The rotation is 0. Paste. 0. There's that. Also, here. This one. Okay. What else? What is that? Huh? This is another one. No. This one, this is not what I need. I need to find now another one with. Oh, thank you. What is that? Okay, we have those. And now the question is if this one. Yes, this one is the same. So, same boring thing, just another crate. No. We have to rename this and give name A. This one I will also rename so I will know that it was that one. Good. So, duplicate, then yes, true. Paste and 0. Mhm. 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 This one. Copy minus 75. Remove. Control D. Paste minus 75. Good. Copy. Remove. Paste 0. There's that. Mhm. Mhm. The rotation, because here the rotation is wrong. Because of this, I will place it like this, otherwise it will be in the wall. This is not what I need. a little bit also. Nice. So what else do we have here? We have this one. Was already done. Nice. Copy. Remove. Paste. Find where it is. And rotation is also okay. So the next one. Rotation 20. Copy. Remove. So as you can see, this is not so fun, but what to do? We have to do everything so it can work good. So this rotation is not good. I'll change this to 20. No, sorry, but 20. Better. Okay. Copy. Remove. Duplicate. And paste. See where it is. Not bad. Minus 65. Now, this one. I will duplicate this one. Paste. Looks good. Okay, 12 minus 30. Enough. I don't think that it matters, but let's leave it like this. Okay, this one is done. The next one. Wait. Remove. Duplicate. Paste. I'll rotate it a little bit because I don't like its rotation. The rotation is 45. Duplicate. Paste. Should be nice. Nice, very nice. So we did those. We replaced already more than 30 prefabs. I think it will be something like 35, so it might help a little bit. Now, what else do we have here? We have here really a lot of different prefabs which must be replaced because so it was those. Great. What else? What is that? The box. Let's open the prefab and let's see what do we have over here. So we have here several boxes. So let's see how it will help if I will merge them two together. So merge actors. Here we have 7 actors which will be merged in one. Okay. Again, let's select the folder. This one, environment assets, meshes, merged. Create, no. Yes. Delete. Delete. Save. 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 to see what, yeah, I have only 3 materials. So I had, let me check how much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 materials. And now I have only 3 materials. Yes, it seems to be good. So I can copy its position because the rotation is 0. I'll remove this one. I will place this one. I will put its position, but again we have the issue with the pivot. So pivot bottom. I said bottom except. Nice. Up, paste, and it's just placed perfectly. That is what I need. And again, I have to move this, move to prefabs, so it will be in the same folder with his friends and will not fill himself back. What else? What is that? Wow, this is a building. And that building has a lot of different meshes. So let's check how we can merge this building together. Save all, save selected. Just one. Merge. Merge. So save. Save all. Save selected. Where is it? Well, honestly, I don't think this must be in this folder, but never mind. So let's copy its position. Let's remove this thing. Let's play this one. Again, we are going to where? Here. Pivot in the bottom, accept. And let's place the position. Paste. Excellent. It's on this place. Very nice. So now I will move this to the correct folder. Save selected. Fine. So what else? Where is that? Here. Fruit basket. And again, I have a lot of fruit baskets over here. So the same, I will do exactly the same with this one. I'll just merge them together. So let's see, what do we have? Rejectors. We have the 6 things which we can merge together. And we will do that. Rejectors. Again, select the folder. Where is this? Over here. Mistake. Environment assets meshes merged. And we will rename this. It will be the fruit basket underscore 01A. Save. Because it seems that we have few different fruit baskets. Cool. First one. Where are you? Here you are. Here. Here I am. So the rotation 0. Delete. Paste. Modeling. Pilot again, the same thing, except save folder, save. And again, let's paste the position. Perfect. It's perfect. Cool. Let's move it to the correct place. Here, paste. Good. So, basket. Yes. Okay. Another one. Copy. Remove. Duplicate. Paste. 128. Mhm. 112. Presentation. Use that. Copy 152. Oh, no. We just removed the incorrect mesh. Paste 0. Where is it? Over here. How it looks like. Good. And the last one, this category. Paste. What is that? Elevate it a little bit. I can also move it a little bit. Save all. Save. Save selected. Fine. Okay, the meanwhile, I'm waiting. I will leave you for a second and I will get back. again. So what I want to do, I want my game. Here it is. I want to open again the old project and to see the stats over there, because what I see, this is, I don't like what I see, but now I need more stats. So I will wait a second and I will check. Oh, here. Save all. Save. Play. Stop. Mistake. This one and close this and open again this and this one. Okay, so I was checking the stats after I merged a lot of small actors into the one, and what I saw that it didn't help me, I can say that at all, because it still has a lot of draws of the primitive calls, draw primitive calls, and basically this version is not for me because it will not help. So what I have to do, I have to try another thing. In this case, I was just reading some kind of documentation and was checking what I can do. So I will try something else. Basically lost 1 hour and a half, something like this, but it was a task that I had to do this. So like this. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching, and if you liked what you see, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.